Nobody play with small pikin pass person wey come borrow money. Oh. As then they reach the house where they won't borrow the money, any small pikin wey dem see, maybe like say their mind no dey for the money. Poverty bad. Maybe like say they okay, but thinking won't kill you. God, I beg you, election don't come go. God, no petition, one no sign. Then bring say petition, Mr. Yakubu, I said. Petition to this one for US, I said. Petition this one, petition Pitakwa, I said. I don't know when I signed to join court. God, I beg you. I sleep, wake up, then say we get meeting for Bush. God, I beg you. Who, when, how, who, how? God, I beg you. From that day, anything I want side, they check well. Man, don't go do transfer of ownership of the only land where my papa give me. For my polling unit, police where them bring to protect us, 9 carry ballot bus run. 9 one guy Pashun, I'm saying be eyewitness. You tell police I cannot wait and see you steal our mandate, them blowing eye. Eyewitness, I swell up. Eyewitness no get eye to talk with your eyes see again. Oh. May God help Nigeria. Oh. Eyewitness don't blind. Oh. God, I beg you. I can't ask myself if police will come protect us, feel blow. Who I be? Before they say Jack, they don't see my motorway digging. I run was. Because I know what it was for Lucky to get now. We come out, youth, we're prepared. We have vision, no candidate. That I will never see Peter of you. But just for me, Nigeria change. We did desperate. We come out with a shout. We are outside. We are outside. We want change. When they shoot 2 people, we go inside. Nigeria wicked, oh. This country wicked, evil men. When they see say 2 people don't die, and they can't tell us, youth, come outside. All of us started to sing, it's so cold outside, my brother. I don't want to miss my... Our government wicked, though. I don't talk and plenty time, they don't know. They know say youth won't come out, come organize the country. And then raise fund to 100 million. Youth go inside. Yeah, once 100, would they say cooking? If I get 100 million, which now I never go start business. God go help us. So. Hey, that's why that time when Russia, they throw bomb for this country. Ukraine. That time with the picture Ukraine, we just sleep wake up, say they don't kill 44,000 people. We see pray for Ukraine, pray for Ukraine. Now I sleep wake up, now I see pray for Nigeria. I said, what's happened? Not be Ukraine would they pray for yesterday. They say our president go pull mouth. God, I beg go. He concern you. He concern you. Go pull mouth. You no get weapon, you go pull mouth for country where get bomb. How many guns we get when we go to pull mouth? Now we go Twitter, go they beg. Because we know president of Russia, his name na Putin. If he put him for you, no, they okay. We started to beg and Putin, our president, our old man, he know they remember things, so he don't know who you be. Oh. We not be part of his country. Oh. Na Niger. Oh. Na God, I beg you. Hey, problem. If to say Tinubu no say Peter Obi, let's say ask question about Peter Obi for no buy form. Peter Obi frustrate Ngige for 2 years. Ngige no fit work as governor. Ngige 365 days in a year. Ngige go court 200 times. In another year, Ngige na end they tell APC. I will never ask me about this guy before. Now they tell them, "Una go court oh." This guy if he sleep for court, they bring food for him. Peter Obi. No. Peter Obi, if you say no, Peter Obi no problem, oh. Forget saying gentle. Person will collect advice from madman. Now you wait normal, won't go follow and stay caught. Now madman dead here with you. Hey, God, I beg you. This country don't tire me. For that time when flood come, for Bayelsa, one house, landlord give tenant quit notice. 1 week later, flood come, there are 2 pack out. Landlord no service swim. Tenant service swim. Water won't kill landlord. You can't the whole tenant like, help me. Tenant start to sing. Sure, you don't want me, barista. Mama. My brother, God go help us. Please, all the ladies, I know the country is tough. You are looking for how to help your family out of poverty. Hello, am I speaking the mind of ladies? I've not said anything. Okay, poor man. Hello, ladies. So, it's good to marry a rich man, but it's better to marry a giver. Some people get money, but it be like lion mouth. To collect anything for a mouth, you need to carry dentist. No go marry man where you go use 4 hours, explain what your mama want to do with 10,000. So, it be like say you never understand. Hey, see, if I never marry for this life, you get some women who I don't feel married. I know life for you. Any woman if you use your hand, kill goat without assistance. Only you, goat, we get 4 legs. Nobody assists you. Goat die. What is the difference between goat neck and my own goat? I beg you. Me and my wife go get small problem. He go say, I'm watching you. You watch me? You are watching me? What did I say? Have we gone this far? God, I beg you. I know if you marry woman, where if you kill goat too. I dey like woman where we say, we'll carry goat. I say, baby, kill it. I can't. Yeah. Show me, say you dey fear. No, we say, baby, kill it. You wreck goat. Well, Kenny Black, man, use 2 minutes, then you are coming up. Prepare. I don't feel marry any woman where we change light from generator to NEPA TV no off. No. TV supposed off. DSTV supposed load again. Some women, if they go, TV no off. If they change them for you, you know they okay. Not be ordinary woman, not spiritual woman. I know they like that kind of woman. I beg you. And for men, if you never marry, the first date, you go know how woman did. You understand? That time, I go, I visit to see wife now for church. They say, I did spiritual. One guy, they speak in tongues, name me. I say, this is the woman of my speaking. She can take care of my family. I tell her, I say, can we sit out? We go sit out. I say, what do you want? You order for harp and bullet. Yeah. First date. You order for bullet. That means they wait for them bring gun. Mayor of Housing. A round of applause for Mayor of Housing. A great supporter of talent. We don't spend time. I don't even gonna know. How many minutes remain? Let me just know. You don't finish, Abby. I love you. I'm Pashun. Good night.